Hey guys, White Wolf here, and today I'm going to show you a channel introduction video that I made. A game that I plan on doing is Call of Duty World War II. I'll most likely be making live commentaries and montages for this game. I'll also be playing Rainbow Six Siege on this channel. I'll probably post full gameplays and highlights for this game.
The diffuser has been... Op 4 last stop standing. Op 4 eliminated.
Another game that I plan on playing on this channel is Black Ops 3. I'll probably be making live commentaries and montages for this game.
UAV awaiting orders.
I also plan on playing Fortnite on this channel. I'll probably be posting highlights and live commentaries.